Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.